everyone. Today, we will be reporting about the supporting characters or also known as extras. But before that, I would like to introduce our group. I am Hannah Sadi alongside with my group members, Madroño Navarre and Alianes. But before we tackle our main topic, I would like to tell you first what a character is. Characters: a person, animal, or even an object in a story that performs actions, speak dialogue, and drives the plot forward, processing traits, feelings, and motivations that make them real or fantastical, and they can be heroes, villains, or complex figures. A character can be a person, animals, or objects in the story that takes part in the events. They perform actions, speak, and they help to move the story forward. Now, let's proceed to our main topic, the supporting characters. Supporting characters are the characters who will develop the story and support the main character but are not the focus of the story. So, these characters may not be the main focus of the story, but they are very important in helping the story develop.
As mentioned in the introduction, they help shape the journey of the main character by giving support, advice, or assistance. They also help move the plot forward and make the story more realistic and engaging. Rabal and Apelianes will give us an examples of supporting characters.
First example of the supporting character is Cinderella and the fairy godmother. Rabal will explain.
The fairy godmother supports Cinderella in many important ways, especially when Cinderella feels hopeless and hopeless. Here's how she helps. The fairy godmother appears when Cinderella is crying and losing hope, reminding her to believe in kindness and wins.
Second example, Patrick as SpongeBob SquarePants.
Patrick, he is a supporting character because he always supports SpongeBob and his best friend. He helps SpongeBob with problems and gives him joy and encourage. Okay, next topic.
Purpose of supporting characters: to support the main character, to develop the story and plot, to make the story more realistic and interesting. The purpose of supporting character: to make character to grow and succeed. They help move the story forward, give advice, provide support, and sometimes create additional content. They make the story more realistic and interesting. To conclude, supporting characters and extras may not be the center of the story, but they play an important role.
They support the protagonist or the main character, they add